Well, good morning. Rob Travels with Dottie here, and I have 5 things that if something happened to them, I would order another one immediately, if not sooner. So without further ado, here's my first thing. And this is my clock temperature gauge. It's showing the temperature in here, the humidity, the temperature outside, the date, and the time. And there's a sensor outside. I'll show it to you real quick out here. And it is right here by the front door. This is the temperature sensor. So the only caveat is if it's in direct sunlight, it'll read like 100 degrees when it's like only 75. So the next thing I want to show you is part of the trailer. But the first part is inside here. If you look up here, right here, this is my TPMS system, and that shows the temperature and the tire pressure on the trailer wheels. So let's take a look at that real quick. The sensors are screwed in right here. You can see it right there. They're just simply, there's a little battery in there, and they're screwed into the stem. And that could save your butt if there's a blowout. And I'm not going to open this up, but trust me, inside the battery bank there is the transmitter. So that is something that I would replace immediately. All right, so the next thing I happen to be using right now, check this out. It is my little air fryer, and look what it's making. Chocolate chip cookies, or my cookies. There's the raw dough. I'm trying to do this one-handed. See the little dough in the wax paper. I get them spaced in there. I can make 4 at a time. I slide it in. My temperature set at just over 300, and I set it for 10 minutes. These are just cooling. So my next thing is also in the kitchen. It's my toaster. Look at this thing. Sits right on top of the burner. I fire up the burner, and I can put English muffins, anything that I want to be heated or toasted, tortillas, and I don't have to use an electric toaster, which takes up room and electricity. So the last thing I want you to see is this amazing umbrella. And I don't use it for rain, although you could read. I use it for sunshine. And you can see here, it clamps right on to the side of the chair, any chair. And it articulates here, back and forth this way. If you go around to this side, there's another articulation point. Right here, it goes back and forth. There is a third articulation point here, and it rotates. And this is kind of a reflectix material. And if it's sunny out and you want a little bit of shade in your chair, this thing is the bomb. Just don't leave it attached to your chair like this when a storm comes in. It'll fly away. So these are the 5 things. If I lost them, broke them, I'd replace them immediately, and I highly recommend them. And I'll show links in the description for each of them. And I did notice the toaster one. It's showing not available on Amazon, but there are other places you can get it.